Alright, get ready because today we're rediving into the world of AI and exploring 9 incredible tips for using it to level up your life. And the best part, each one takes only 15 minutes or less. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or just someone who wants to make the most out of life, this video is for you. Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we make learning fun and easy. Today we're taking a closer look at how AI can help us navigate through life. From productivity hacks to creative tips, we'll be covering it all. So make sure to grab a notebook and get ready to jot down some game-changing ideas. Now let's dive into the first part of this episode. Tip 1. Optimize daily tasks. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending to-do list? Imagine a life where you start each day with a clear plan, knowing exactly what to tackle first and when. AI can make this dream a reality. With AI by your side, organizing your daily tasks becomes a breeze. Say goodbye to the days of feeling overwhelmed and hello to a more productive and stress-free you. Let me show you how. Whether it's errands, appointments, or projects, AI can help you manage it all. One way AI can assist with daily tasks is by providing reminders. It can be challenging to remember every appointment or deadline, but AI-powered calendar apps and reminders can help. These tools can send you timely alerts, ensuring you never miss an important task or meeting again. Tip 2. Generate creative ideas quickly. Creativity doesn't always strike when you want it to, but fear not, AI has got your back. In today's fast-paced world, coming up with fresh and innovative ideas can seem like finding a needle in a haystack. But with AI by your side, brainstorming becomes a walk in the park. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for the next big thing, or simply someone who loves to explore new hobbies, AI can help you unlock your creative potential. Imagine sitting down to plan your next social media post and finding inspiration just a few clicks away. AI-powered tools can analyze your audience and generate ideas tailored to their interests, saving you time and boosting engagement. And let's not forget about those pesky writer's block moments. AI has got you covered there too. With the ability to craft compelling stories and captivating captions, you'll never have an empty page again. Tip 3. Learn faster, remember longer. Do you find yourself struggling to grasp new concepts, or worse, forgetting them soon after learning? Learning doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the help of AI, you can absorb information faster and retain it longer. AI tutors can adapt to your learning style, providing personalized guidance and support every step of the way. Here's how AI can revolutionize your learning experience. Let's say you want to brush up on your math skills. Instead of wading through lengthy textbooks, AI tutors can provide interactive lessons tailored to your needs. They can explain concepts in simpler terms, offer practice problems, and provide instant feedback, making learning both effective and enjoyable. Part 2 is coming right up. But before we move on, if you're enjoying this video and want more AI tips, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more updates. We appreciate your support. Tip 4. Write professional emails and documents. Ever found yourself stuck staring at a blank email, unsure of how to word it just right, or maybe you're facing a tight deadline for an important document and the words just are unflowing? Fear not, AI can help you express yourself professionally with ease. Gone are the days of agonizing over the perfect email or document. With AI by your side, crafting clear and concise messages becomes a breeze. Imagine this, you're sending an email requesting time off. Instead of spending precious minutes contemplating the right phrasing, AI can help you compose a polite and professional message in seconds. But that's not all. AI can also lend its expertise to writing SEO-friendly content, whether you're creating product descriptions, blog posts, or website copy. AI can optimize your writing for search engines, helping you reach a wider audience. Tip 5. Optimize personal finance. Managing your finances can feel like a juggling act, especially when there are bills to pay, savings to monitor, and investments to consider. But what if there was a smarter way to handle your money? Enter AI-powered personal finance apps. These handy tools can help you track expenses, create budgets, and even suggest investment strategies. With AI analyzing your spending patterns, you'll gain insights into where your money is going and how to optimize your budget. Want to save more? AI can help you set realistic financial goals and track your progress towards achieving them. No more spreadsheets or complicated financial jargon. AI makes managing your money a simple and efficient process, giving you back valuable time to focus on other aspects of your life. Tip 6. Health and nutrition advice. Taking care of your health and nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. AI can help you make informed choices about your diet and fitness routine. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply adopt a healthier lifestyle, AI-powered health and fitness apps can guide you every step of the way. Imagine having a virtual health coach that provides personalized meal plans and tracks your progress. That's what AI can offer you. By entering your body information, such as height and weight, AI can suggest healthy meal options and calculate calorie intake. It can also help you determine appropriate exercise regimens based on your fitness level and goals. Whether you need motivation, guidance, or just a helping hand, AI is here to support you on your journey to better health and nutrition. Tip 7. Smart travel planning. Traveling can be both exciting and overwhelming, from booking flights to finding the perfect accommodation. But what if there was a smarter way to plan your trips? Enter AI-powered travel assistants. These handy tools can handle the complexities of travel arrangements, allowing you to relax and anticipate an amazing journey. Imagine having an itinerary tailored to your interests and preferences, complete with suggested activities and must-see attractions. AI can make it happen. It can also assist with finding the best deals on flights and accommodations, saving you both time and money. Say goodbye to countless hours spent researching and planning. With AI by your side, you can explore new destinations with ease, knowing that every detail has been taken care of. Tip 8. Teach AI your personal habits. Have you ever wished that technology could understand your unique habits and preferences better? With AI, you can train it to learn from your actions, making your digital experience more personalized than ever. By feeding AI your personal data and preferences, you can create a customized profile that caters to your needs. For example, if you enjoy reading, you can teach AI your favorite genres and authors. Then it can recommend new books or articles that align with your interests. Similarly, if you have specific dietary requirements, AI can remember your preferences and suggest recipes or meal options that suit your needs. Tip 9. Create digital content and earn online. In today's digital age, creating and sharing online content has become a popular way to express yourself and earn income. Now, with the help of AI, you can take your content creation to new heights. Whether you're looking to start a YouTube channel, a blog, or social media presence, AI can assist you in various ways. Firstly, AI can help you write scripts for your videos or articles. Imagine sitting down to create a video and having AI generate a well-structured script that keeps your audience engaged. It can also help you come up with content ideas by analyzing popular trends and suggesting topics tailored to your niche. And that's it. You now know 9 tips for using AI to improve your life in just 15 minutes a day. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about AI and smarter living. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI and all the possibilities it holds.